Okay, let's see how to add a library. On the right side, we have a named library edit code. Click it and we can add the named library information. And this is our library. This is our library name, models, manufacturers. The name library name and manufacturer can be written randomly as long as you can interface them. Such as our library name, I was writing 230 and our manufacturing names in the MJ and enter. The model fills in the number of channels according to the number of channels. For example, here is our 16 channel writing the 16. After we finish writing the information of the light library, we can click the model management and click the middle models, and this is our model, and we click this model and model face model, and we can see our add the model face model. Then we need to push add, and we need to add as many authorized as we have the number of the channels, and then there is a program bar next to us. Such as our 16 channels, we need to add the 16, and we decrease the add to the 16 channels. And now in the 13, 14, 15, 16, yes, in the 16 channels, which we can check up and down. Then we can click the first brand arrival area and set the arrivals. Then we can add the named library channels attributes according to the instruction. And we can click this brand and we can get set. Oh, sorry, and depend in the set up attribute, this one, yes. And this is our lighting library to set the attribute. In this, for example, we writing finish some such as open this one 16 channels model, and this is our finished model. And after we fill in the attributes, we drop down from the first column to the last and enter one according to the setting, such as this, the crosses. And now in the set 1, enter. Now it is 1 to 16 channels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and enter the 16 channels. And it will automatically sort the channels from 1 to 16. Then we need to adjust the default word and precision word of horizontal and vector, as well as the default word and precision word of dimmer stop. And we can click this dimmer and the 255s and the shutter and 255, 255s. This one shutter, we did a default word and the local word in 255, and this and the 255 to the local word. We can click it in the next areas and then enter the word. And now this is our finish our library, and we can save the set. Our library is finished.